Hello, how are you? In this video, I used a 3D printer to make a filter mounting for the iPhone. Draw a drawing with 3D CAD. Print with 3D printer. It uses a Quadlock case for mounting. Quadlock is a system that attaches an iPhone to a motorcycle or bicycle. The Quadlock is firmly fixed and easy to put on and take off. A 50-tome filter frame was set to cover the three lenses of the iPhone 12 Pro. Actually, a 60-tome variable filter is attached with a step-up ring. It also supports the front camera. Thank you for watching the video. With good ratings, please subscribe to the channel.